Hello everyone, I am Haddou Salima, third year PhD student in chemistry, and I am very happy today to present my work entitled Evaluation of the Antioxidant and Antimicrobial Activity of Cannabis sativa L seeds extracts from Morocco. So my work is presented by me and supervised by Mr. Shaheen, co-supervisor Professor Hamouti Belkhair. And I would like to thank the organization committee for this beautiful congress and my laboratory of applied chemistry and environment faculty of science university Mohammed Fur Soujda and laboratory of advanced materials and process engineering faculty of science Ibn Tufail University Kenitra Morocco. I will start with a plan which is presented as follows: an introduction, materials and methods, result and discussion, finally conclusion. For introduction, cannabis sativa of the Cannabaceae family has become increasingly prominent plant in the medical industry due to its multiple bioactive compounds with a wide range of human health benefits. Cannabis sativa has been indicated for the treatment of pain, glaucoma, nausea, depression, and neuralgia. For global chemical composition, we can found by natural antioxidants, phenolic compounds, tocopherols, carotenoids, phytosterols. For materials and methods, starting with sampling. Cannabis seeds were harvested in the north of Morocco, in the region of Xama and Chefchaouen, the main cannabis producing cities in Morocco, in December 2021. For the sample preparation steps, firstly, isolated the seeds of the cannabis. Secondly, screening to remove spanded matter and dust. Thirdly, grinding of the seeds in the blender to make them in powder form. For the extraction technique, we use the maceration technique. For solvents have been used the maceration technique as the followed: hexane, dichloromethane, ethanol, and aqua. For antioxidant activity, the pH can be inhibited by hydrogen atom transfer or by electron transfer present in some antioxidant molecules. The objective of this study is to measure the effectiveness of antioxidants by measuring the decreases of the purple coloration due to a recombination of the pH radicals. For antimicrobial activity, the evaluation of the antimicrobial activity is performed by the well method. This technique consists of perforcing the MH agar inoculated with the test bacteria 100 microliter in order to obtain wells. These wells were filled with a volume of 60 microliter of extract. DMS was used as a negative counter and gentamicin was used as positive counter. After a 30-minute pre-diffusion at room temperature, the culture were incubated for 18 hours at 37 degrees. After incubation, the zone of inhibition of the target strand around the well was measured in millimeters by with a sliding caliper. The antifungal activity of the study's cannabis sativa sets was tested on 3 strains from bioresource, biotechnologies, ethnopharmacology, and health laboratory faculty of science, Wujda. The strains are Aspergillus niger and Penicillium. Cycloheximide was used as a positive counter and DMSO as a negative counter. The incubation of the dishes was carried out at 25 degrees for 48 hours. After incubation, the diameter of the zone of incubation was measured in millimeters with a sliding caliper. For result and discussion. Yields. So, among all of the solvents that have been used in maceration technique, extracts, the hexane solvents have showed the most important yields, 12% in comparison with the other solvents, as you can see in the table. AC50 of extracts. With the aim of valorizing the seeds of cannabis, we carried out the evaluation of the antioxidant activity of our extracts using the test DTPH. Therefore, we tested a series of samples by varying the concentration. As you can see in the figure, from the results obtained, we can deduce that the reduction of 50% of the TTPH was reached for the ethanolic extracts, the aqua extracts, and the ascorbic acid taken as reference. So it allows us to note that our extracts have a relatively very important antioxidant capacity. For antibacterial activity, according to the results obtained, all our cannabis seeds extracts showed activity against the tested strains at a concentration of 0.5 mcf with zones of inhibition ranging from 7 mm to 16 mm respectively. For antifungal activity, according to the results obtained, all our cannabis seed extracts showed activity against the test fungi at a concentration of 0.5 mcf with inhibition zones ranging from 9 mm to 14 mm respectively. Finally, conclusion. The different extracts of cannabis seeds were able to reduce the TTPH radical, so they have an effective antioxidant and antimicrobial effect due to the presence of polyphenols and flavonoids detected in the phytochemical analysis, and therefore could be proposed as a potential source of natural additives in the food and pharmaceutical industry. Thank you for your attention.